Stop throwing your money away on gadgets that do nothing. These ones actually deliver. From smart upgrades to total game changers, this video is loaded. If you're into cool, practical tech that actually makes life better, you're exactly where you need to be. Welcome to Funtechblaze. Hit subscribe, you don't want to miss what's coming. And if anything catches your eye, the links are down in the description. Gadget 1. Far-Red LED Desk Lamp. Your desk light is either leaving you squinting in the dark or burning your eyes out. That's why people are making the switch to this far-red LED desk lamp. It floods your entire desk with even light, zero dark spots, zero glare. Adjust brightness and color tone on the fly. Warm light when you're winding down, crisp white when it's time to grind. Wave your hand or grab the remote to take full control. The flexible arms let you aim the light exactly where it needs to go. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to a clean, professional workspace. Gadget 2. Linux Cheat Sheet Mousepad. Still tabbing out to Google Linux commands every couple of minutes? That's costing you time. This Linux Cheat Sheet Mousepad puts every command right beneath your fingertips. File management, networking, processes, all laid out and ready to go. No more switching tabs, just look down and keep typing. It doubles as a large, smooth desk mat so your mouse glides effortlessly while you work or code. Great for beginners, still useful for pros. Your desk stops being just a desk and becomes a full-on command center. Gadget 3. 4K Digital USB Microscope. You've never actually seen your stuff this close up. Plug in this 4K digital USB microscope and instantly get 2000x zoom on a full screen. Circuit boards, coins, tiny scratches, all crystal clear. Working on electronics? See every single detail before you make a move. No guesswork, no mistakes. 3 lenses, 1 compact device. From hobby projects to pro-level precision work, this thing doesn't just magnify, it unlocks a whole hidden world right on your desk. Gadget 4. Teleprompter with built-in screen. You know what kills a video instantly? Breaking eye contact. This teleprompter with built-in screen fixes that. Read your script, monitor your chat, handle everything, all while looking straight into the camera. No awkward glances, no fumbling. Drag your script, start talking, done. You come across confident, look completely professional, and never lose your momentum. If you're a content creator, this is the upgrade nobody's talking about, but everyone needs. Gadget 5. 18-key macro keyboard pad. You're burning hours on things your PC could knock out in a single tap. This 18-key macro keyboard pad changes that. One click and apps launch, scenes switch, music kicks in, entire workflows fire off automatically. Editing, streaming, daily work tasks, all automated. What used to eat up minutes now takes seconds. You stop fumbling around and start operating like a pro. If your setup isn't built like this, you're already falling behind.
Gadget 6. Portable Power Station Bank. Your phone is dying, your laptop is clinging to 5%, and there's not an outlet in sight? That's where this portable power station bank steps up. Charge your phone, your laptop, multiple devices at the same time and fast. The real-time display shows exactly what's going in and out, no guessing games. Built for travel, work, or emergencies. One charge and you're covered for hours. If low battery anxiety is real for you, this is the fix. Gadget 7. AI-powered portable swim jet. Your pool getting a little stale? This AI-powered portable swim jet changes everything. Drop it in the water and it generates a powerful current so you can swim in place like a serious athlete. No complicated setup, no construction required. Fully wireless with solid battery life and smart speed control that adapts to your fitness level. Train for endurance, push for pro-level performance, or just have a blast at your next pool party. This doesn't just upgrade your swim, it transforms the whole experience. Gadget 8. 10-in-1 USB-C Laptop Hub. Your laptop has 1 port, but your workflow demands 10? Plug in this 10-in-1 USB-C laptop hub and instantly get HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, high-speed USBs, and SD card slots all running at once. Dual 4K screens, lightning-fast file transfers, and charging simultaneously. No lag, no cable juggling, no clutter. It turns your laptop into a fully equipped workstation in seconds. If you're still unplugging one thing to plug in another, you're working the hard way. Gadget 9. Outdoor Weatherproof Electrical Box. One rainstorm and your outdoor connections are fried, unless you've got this outdoor weatherproof electrical box. Snap everything inside, seal it up, and your wiring is fully protected from rain, dust, and heavy storms. Holiday lights, garden tools, pool pumps, no more short circuits, no more stress. 7 cable entries, an airtight seal, built tough. You don't repair electrical damage after the fact. You stop it from happening in the first place. If your outdoor setup is sitting exposed right now, you're taking an unnecessary risk. Gadget 10. USB Charging Power Meter. Your charger might actually be lying to you. Plug in this USB charging power meter and get real-time voltage, current, and battery capacity data right in front of you. Instantly know if your cable is underperforming or your power bank is fake. No more guessing, no more wasting time on bad charging setups. Test your phone, laptop, or car charger in seconds. If you care about charging speed and device safety, this little meter is a total game changer. Gadget 11. Digital Temperature and Humidity Monitor. Think your room is comfortable? It might not be. One glance at this digital temperature and humidity monitor and you'll know exactly what's going on. Temperature, humidity, and comfort level all at once. Too dry, too muggy, you'll know instantly. It refreshes every few seconds so you're always in the know. Better sleep, better air quality, a healthier environment every single day. If you're not keeping tabs on your room's conditions, you're just crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. And that's a wrap on today's top 11 gadgets that are seriously worth every penny. If even one thing on this list caught your eye, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Got a gadget you think should have made the list? Throw it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Every single link is waiting for you down in the description, so go check out your favorites. And if you're not subscribed to Funtechblaze yet, now is the time, because we're just getting started. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay ahead, and keep blazing through the tech game. See you soon!